Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to buy stuff on Temu. Purchasing items on Temu is a straightforward process, so here is a step-by-step guide to help you shop with ease on Temu. So in order to start purchasing items on Temu, first of all, open the Temu application and also make sure to log into your account. You can also open your Temu account on a website, and once you're inside the main homepage, go ahead and select from the list of categories at the top, find the product you would like to shop, and once you find the product, tap it open. You will then be able to see the product details. Here you can go ahead and select your size of the product, select the desired color, quantity, etc. After you are ready and you've chosen a product for yourself, go ahead and select the colors, sizes, quantity and other options for the product and then tap on Add to Cart at the bottom. Once you add the product in your shopping cart, launch the cart open, and to check out with the product, tap on the checkout button at the bottom right hand corner. Now in the checkout page, you can go ahead and confirm your purchase. If you want to delete some of the products you no longer want to buy, now is your chance. Simply go ahead and delete or expand your purchase, and once you are done, scroll down to payment methods. Now in the payment method, you will need to go ahead and enter a payment information. Select a payment method you'd like to go with. I'm going to choose the card option. Apart from card, you can also choose the Apple Pay option, PayPal, Afterpay, Klarna, and much more, depending upon your region or area. After you've selected one of the payment options, you can now enter your card number, the expiration date, CVV code, and other information for your payment. Make sure you provide the correct information, and then after everything's done, click on Add Your Card at the bottom. Once you've provided the payment information, you can review your order summary and click on Submit Order and enjoy effortless shopping on Temu. So that is how you will be able to buy stuff on Temu in just a minute. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.